Hi and welcome to another lesson of guitarforme.com. I'm Antonio Rico and today I want to show you four simple chords that will allow you to play hundreds and hundreds of songs. This is a C turnaround in C, and I'm going to show you the basic chords and then some songs and some embellishments. So even if you know the turnaround, stick with me. I'm going to show you some ways of make it even more interesting and beautiful and musical. All right, so first of all, if you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel. Here we talk about guitar, so if you want to learn, this is the right place. So click the button and the bell and you get notifications when I publish a new video. Here are some songs that we can play with this turnaround. Now I'm going to attempt to sing, okay? So please forgive me, I'm not a singer. Na, 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 na. Baby, 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 oh. Crocodile Rock is also another one. Na 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 na. Alright, so just to give you an idea of what we're going to be learning today. Let's have a look at the chords. First of all, if you don't know these chords, I have prepared a masterclass, 4 hours of video content, and there is also a chord ebook that you can go and download for free. So go and subscribe, it's 100% for free. Alright, follow the link on the video. Alright, the chords very briefly, because you should go and subscribe to the masterclass if you don't know them. They are C major chord. So starting from the 5th string, I've got 3, 2, 0, which is an open string, 1, 0. Okay, this is C major. Then I just need to take this 3rd finger and move it to the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and I've got an A minor. Then I move everything down and I move this 3rd finger up 1 fret, and this is the D minor. And then I've got a G, which is 3, 2, 0, 0, 3, 3. These are a way of playing the G. One thing that we need to understand is that the sequence of the chord is always this, but not always we can play the full song. Sometimes we can, like Stand By Me. Sometimes it's just used on a verse or on a chorus, okay? But it's very common in music. So if we do learn it, we are ready to play all those songs. And then the other thing that we must understand is that we can have different duration of the chord. So for some songs we're gonna have the chord for the whole bar. So na 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 1, 2, 3, 4 1, 2, 3, 4. Some other time, one chord will last 2 bars, like Stand By Me. Here we've got 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, yeah, this is 1 bar per chord. Okay, so there are these little variations, but the chords are those, and you can use them, okay, to play all these songs. So let's have a look at some ways to make this turnaround a little bit prettier, okay, a little bit nicer. One will be the use of this chord, is a G over B, as a passing chord to go from C to A minor. So this is very common to have this kind of passing chord in between, and basically what we're doing is this is the shape. Let me show you quickly. I'm using the 4 in a string, so I'm not playing the 2 E's, 6 and 1, but I'm playing 2nd, 3rd and 4th string open, and then I'm playing the bass here on the 2nd fret. So the passage is actually quite easy because I just need to lift that finger and I've got G over B. There are different ways of playing G over B. It is the easiest, so I'm just gonna show you this one. So na, 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 na. We can have stuff like this. Very nice. Okay. Another thing that we can do is instead of using the D minor, we can use the F major. As you can see, they're quite similar chords. There are quite a few notes in common between the two chords. These two, all right? So let's say I'm playing F using this shape. So here I've got 3, 2, 1, 1. So it is a bar. This is F. Now, if I had to move this finger on the second string, this is D minor. You see how similar these chords are. So sometimes we're going to be using the F rather than the D minor in order to play our songs. Crocodile Rock will use the F. Why? It's a bit stronger, that's why. The sound, it's a bit more present because it's a major chord rather than the minor, which is a bit sweeter. So very often the D minor is going to be used in a ballad situation and the F in a more up-tempo song. The last embellishment that I want to show you is the use of G7 instead of G. Now, what's G7? It's basically a 4-voice chord where basically we've got the triad, the G major triad, plus the 7th, which is an F, which is that sound there. All right, so we basically play exactly the same shape. I'm just changing the fingering so that I can go with the first finger there. So we'll be still 3, 2, 0, 0. We're gonna playing also 0 or open string on the second, and the first one is there. As you can hear, the G has got more of a solid sound, while the G7, it's a bit of a sweeter sound because now there is an extra note in the chord, and it's very much used in ballads as well. So Stand By Me. Na, 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 na. Will sound very nice there. Okay, I really hope that these tips are gonna help you become a better musician. If it is so, please like and share. If you got any questions, or if you wanna add some of the titles that use the turnaround in C, please leave a comment. And guys, there are more videos, suggested videos, so go and check out and keep on learning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.